Okay, just making sure I know what number I'm on, and it is number 6. So, number 6, we have to find out the solution of the equation x squared is equal to 19x plus 1. And how we find this solution is, first we want to set it equal to 0, because that's the same thing as solving for the roots of a quadratic equation. So we're going to subtract this 19x and this 1 on the other side, so x squared minus 19x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then the simplest way to solve this is with our quadratic equation. So we're going to do x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, we have to define what our a, b, and c are. So these are just the coefficients in front of our x squared, x, and constant terms respectively. So in this case, our a is 1, our b is negative 19, and our c is negative 1. So substituting all of these values in, we get x is equal to negative 19 plus or minus the square root of negative 19 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, minus 1, which is c, and then the whole thing over 2 times 1. So simplifying a little bit, negative 19 gives us 19 plus or minus 19 squared is, just to quickly evaluate, 19 squared is 361. And then we do a minus 1 times minus 4 is actually plus 4, so we can do plus 4 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And then we can write this, we can just divide out the 2 on both sides, so we get 19 over 2 plus or minus the square root of 365 over 2. And I don't know if this can be simplified further, the square root, but I will just leave it as is. And because we're dealing with this plus or minus here, we can write this as 2 separate roots. So our first root being 19 over 2 plus root 365 over 2, and our second root being 19 over 2 minus root 365 over 2. And these are our 2 roots right here. And that is the exact, hold on. Okay, I made a mistake here. Or did I? So x squared minus 19x. So, this person actually made a slight mistake when using the quadratic equation. So they should have plugged in for b minus 19, but they ended up plugging in, they did not plug it in here, and they got instead, it should have been minus 19 and given you 19, so I have to write that out here. So my solution is still correct. When plugging in for quadratic equation, b is equal to minus 19, therefore minus b is equal to 19, hence the solutions are equals 19, so I'm going to write this as 19 plus square root of 365 over 2 and 19 minus square root of 365 over 2. So I'm going to write that this solution is incorrect.